No, God! No, God, please, no! No!
Hey guys, welcome to Bro Smart Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how to recover corrupted or deleted data from your pen drive, SD card, hard disk and whatnot. In the entire top Android app video that I shot recently for like 1-2 hours, it just got corrupted or even deleted. I don't know how it happened. Maybe the card was corrupted, or maybe I just hit shift delete altogether. I really don't know what happened, but I was able to recover the data, the entire top Android apps video and other videos that I will show you guys in just a minute. So if this video helps you, then definitely subscribe to the channel and also like this video for more videos just like this one. So let's get started. If I go to file manager, you can see here is USB drive. I don't know how there were no videos. I shot an entire top Android apps video for this month, but this is so unfortunate and this is so frustrating. So I went to Google and searched for how to recover Android files. So what I found was Stellar Photo Recovery. Yes, there are other photo recovery companies, but most of them are Chinese, and you know we shouldn't trust them now at this time. So I installed this application, which is Stellar Photo Recovery, and here it is. Here is my SD card from my camera, and here is the application. So this is Stellar Photo Recovery application. I read a few articles on the internet about the software because I usually don't trust these kind of software, but this is a really good one and I will show you how. So here is removable disk, and this is the SD card that I have of 32 GB. So to recover any item that has been deleted from this drive, I have to select it and then hit scan. So as you can see, it is scanning, and here are all the folders that were actually inside the SD card before it was wiped off. Here is the MP4 folder. It is not something rocket science, you guessed it. This folder will have all the videos that I shot, and it is slowly recovering all the like videos, images. As you can see, here is JPEG under photos. So yeah, there are some photos that I clicked like for the thumbnail. So it will take some time. As you can see, here are some information like looking in generic mass storage, which is SD card, and also here are other information like scanning status. 60 entries are found, files found, scanning medias, it is already scanning, so it won't display right away, and also time elapsed and time left. Now if you are recovering media from SD cards, pen drives or anything like a removable storage unit, then it will take some time. The time elapsed is 1 minute 39 seconds and the time left is 53 minutes. So it will take a long time to recover, and I'm pretty sure it will recover a ton of videos that were even 6 months or 4 months old. Hey guys, I can see only 2% of you are subscribed who watch my videos. So if you are enjoying this video, make sure to subscribe and ring the bell icon to get video notifications daily. While the data is being recovered, let me tell you more about this software. Stellar Media Recovery Software has been hailed the best by renowned tech and photography websites like Digital Photography World, Digital Camera World, Photo Review and more. Recovering media using this software is easy. You can scan specific drive or folder, or also use the deep scan method to recover files that were deleted a long time ago. Trust me, it's not uncommon for SD cards to get corrupted. Several times after shooting a video, the card got corrupted, and as you have guessed, the media was completely wiped off and nowhere to be found. This is where Stellar Photo and Video Recovery Software comes to rescue me. If you by mistake delete some files from the desktop like this, like the root file I deleted from the desktop, you can always go back to the home and just recover like local disk C, local disk D or any other disk that is connected to your computer. It is a very useful application that I use to recover photo, audio and video just by selecting the drive and hit scan. You can also enable deep scan to scan more files that were deleted like 1 or 2 years ago. I'm not sure about it because I haven't used deep scan because it takes a lot of time to scan. So I cannot tell you that, but I will try recovering some files from these drives in the future. So if you have any questions, comment below. I will definitely reply to you guys. Hey guys, so finally all my photos and videos from my memory card was recovered, and as you can see, there are 1200 files found in 11 folders and 15 gigs of data recoverable. So I'll just close this and hit on recover. So I have to select the destination. For like I will select desktop and start saving. So it is quite fast. As you can see, all the files are currently being saved on desktop. And also the interesting part about this is I didn't shoot CR2 like the raw files when I shot the top Android apps video. It was a very old photo, as I can see over here. So this software can actually recover files that were deleted from your memory card or from your hard disk or any storage unit that you own which was recently formatted, and any files that you deleted a long time ago. I cannot express my happiness to you guys. I'm so happy that I can recover the top Android apps video that I shot, because honestly at this time, like 1:30, if all my videos were deleted, it is devastating because I cannot shoot another video. And so anyways, as you can see, all my files are being saved into a folder in desktop. And yeah, also as you can see in this corner, there are like 651 videos and 549 photos that are currently being recovered. So just think, I won't shoot like 651 videos for a single top Android app video, right? I will just shoot like 100 clips. A ton of videos are being recovered right now. Very excited right now to see my files. So let me just minimize this application. Here is the root folder, and my god, I have all my video files over here that were deleted from the memory card. Oh my god guys, I'm so happy. And in the end, I'm just going to say that if you face this problem, if your videos or photos or any kind of file gets deleted, then you must use Stellar Photo Recovery Standard application to recover photos, videos and whatnot. Like seriously, I have all my JPEGs over here that were recently deleted. Yeah, some files will have glitches like this, but I don't know, most of the files are okay and the quality is also great. So let me know in the comment section, how is the application? Did you like it or not? Also, if you want to use Stellar Photo Recovery Standard application, the link will be in the description below. And yeah, with this application you can recover any kind of media from your PC, from hard disk, pen drive, SD cards and whatnot. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have enjoyed watching this video, then smash the like button and also subscribe to Bro Smart. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you guys in my next video.